What's up, fam? This is your boy, Indigo P, back at you with another episode of the Indigo Pimp. And for today's episode, I like to start off with a question for y'all, fam. Are y'all still paying for ChatGPT? If so, don't worry, because your boy is coming at you with at least 3 free and open source alternatives that are just as good or even better than ChatGPT. So stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this one. For sure. Let's go.
Ready, go!
Alright. First up is this tool called Ollama. It's basically a terminal application. So you got to use the terminal for it. And, and with Windows, you got to use Windows PowerShell. You can't use the regular command shell. I don't know why. But I think the regular command shell is supposed to be mostly used for power and troubleshooting, man, and fixing stuff. Man, you shouldn't be really do that to run programs, man. But you can use PowerShell though. PowerShell will work perfectly, and it's the same thing once you download it. Now, in order to download this, bam, and they got the download right here. But Mac and Windows, those are regular downloads, run as administrator. But with Linux, you're going to need to copy and paste this script into the terminal. Watch this. You do that. It's going to download it. That's weird. It does that because I have several LLMs on my machine, and it makes it wacky. So it's best to only use one. You know what I'm saying? Because it got all the mixed up engines in there, and it's gonna make everything wacky. But I'm just doing this for presentation purposes only. All you need is one of them. Choose the best one you like that's closer related to what you're doing, and stick with that one. See? Bam. See, say all the stuff available. Now see, it will run in CPU mode only, so that means it's only gonna run on the RAM because it has no GPU on it. You know what I'm saying? The GPU will take some of the pressure off the RAM so it can run faster. But so you gotta bear with me. Now it's installed. So once you install it, you can't use it yet. You gotta install some of these models. And you know me. I'm going with the top dog. Already, that boy Llama 3. The top dog of them all. Watch this. So it's gonna tell you how to do that. And it's gonna tell you what to run. Remember, if you're on Windows, you can use PowerShell, and it's the same thing after the initial install. So you're gonna copy that. That's how you run it. Alright. Hold up. Let me clear right quick. For Linux it's clear. For Linux and Mac it's clear. For I think for Windows it's either CLS. Clear that up right quick. And we're gonna go like this. That's Ollama Run 3.1. But you can't run it yet because it's not downloaded to your computer. So in order to do that, we got to go pull Llama 3 to pull the manifest. Watch this. Wow, 48 megabytes a second. I ain't never had nothing on my computer that went this fast, man. It's a i5. Wow. Let me go check on my coffee right quick. All right. We got like 30 seconds left. And and while we wait, y'all may want to ask, why do a terminal application when there's so many graphic interfaces that you can use? Like the other ones, like the later ones I'm finna explain. But see, the thing is with a terminal application, it's gonna use less RAM because when you use a graphic interface, it's gonna add on about two to three more extra RAMs to it. 2 to 3 more extra gig RAM requirement just to run the GUIs on these things. So if you run it bare on the terminal, it's gonna save you 2 to 3 gigs. And you can have another window open without it messing up. So that's the best reason to use a terminal. Especially when you got other things to do, like when you're working on a research project and you got to have more than one open at the same time. Because I promise you, a lot of these things, they take up so much RAM that you cannot have nothing else open on it. But Ollama is cool with that. You can do that with Ollama, and it's done. And let's test it out to see if it know what it know. Watch this. All right. I'm finna make a little presentation joke question. Check this out. What? Oh, yeah, my bad. My bad. My bad. I forgot to run it. Yeah, see, I pulled it, so I downloaded it. So now we can change that Ollama pull to run. Now we can run it. My bad. Yeah, I was too early. Now we can ask that question. My bad. I was getting ahead of myself. Yeah. Let's ask Llama. Let's ask Meta AI. Cause really Llama is really the engine that runs Meta AI, the Facebook AI. And it's free on the back end for developers. You ain't gotta be a developer to get it. You just gotta know how to get it. But check this out. Let's find out who really let the dogs out. Right? What? Look, it's telling you where the original song come from. What? Look, learn something new, huh? Man, that was a great question to ask, man. That tripped me out, man. I did not know that. It tells you where the original song came from. Wow. You see how thorough that is, man? Man, the power of AI, bro. And check this out, man. It's crazy, man, because it's only going to get smarter, bro. And are y'all ready? And I suggest, know what I'm saying, learn this stuff, man. Take the time to learn this stuff. I mean, All right, fam. Next up is this application called GTP File. Y'all gonna like that. Hold up. Let's check it out. First off, you gotta go to this website. called nomic.ai. Check it out. Yeah, right here you got Atlas for the enterprise level. That's pretty nice. But we gonna go with the this one right here, GTP file. All right, you can download it for Ubuntu based, you know, and I believe it'll work on Debian based too. So check that out. And you got one for Windows and you got one for Mac. You know, the Windows it's the same. I'll open as administrator. So so we gonna get the one for Ubuntu base because this is Linux Mint. Check it out. But we already got that. So once you get that, you got to go right here, and it's gonna be in a form of an executable. All right. So if you're on Linux or Mac, but first you got to go to the permissions right here. Go to properties. It might be on Windows too. I don't know. Go to permissions. You got to click on this. Allow execution of file as a program right there. Then you click on it. Go to next. All this, all that, yeah. Yeah, I already did it. So yeah, you're gonna go through the process to install it. Yes. And once you install it, you're gonna say GTP file. So click on that. And now you get to chatting. But first before you start chatting, you gotta find which models you want. You know? And you know me, you know I'm finna go with the llama first and foremost. And you can have if you got ChatGPT, you know what I'm saying, you got the API, you can do it like that. So check that out. And but you know, see, I already got it installed. So you go to chat, right? So I can look the default. Bam, now I can chat. Now let me just add, you know what I'm saying? Just watch this. Say like, okay, you know what I'm saying? Just a generic question. And you know, if you got a GPU, it'll go much faster, you know. And I don't have a GPU, so you know what I'm saying? You gotta use the RAM. See? Bam. Still go fast if I close some windows. Nice. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know, this should, you know what I'm saying? If you're trying to get your grind on, this should be the first thing. When you get any kind of L&M model, man, this will be one of the first things you should press. Then from there, you can ask for instructions. When you pick one, man. All right, we gonna stop right there. We ain't gonna be on this all day. Cause I had to uh show you this feature right quick. See, GTP for all has an interesting feature to where you can interact with your local documents that's on your hard drive, and you could interact with that and ask them questions. Now, see, like I already uploaded my LLC folder, right? Now check this out. I'll go back to chat, get out the way, and I go to local docs right there. All right, now let's check this out. All right, let's see. Give an example, right? Check this out. Hmm. Check this out. See, it's see how it's scraping all the documents that I put in that folder. It's going through all the documents. Watch this. Like I said, the man, this look. What? See, I don't know. Whoa, whoa, that ain't man. I don't know where that man. Oh, you see that? See, man. Nah, she right. It's and yeah, yeah, 'cause that's the virtual address. You know, they give you a virtual address just in case you don't want just in case you don't want to use your home address, in case you're trying to get funding or something. You know, a lot of people don't like apartments as business addresses, so I can use my virtual address. So this is correct. Yes, yeah, for real. Hey, look at it, bro. And it tells you which of the documents it got the information from. Ain't that wild, bro? And see, and they give you follow up questions. See, man, that's fire, bro. Hey, that's fire, real. And as long as they have them titles, them suffixes on it, it's straight for sure. Yeah. So that right there is a GTP for all. You know, that just a small little demo. And I hope you like it. And peace out. All right. Next up, we got this another application called jan.ai. Yeah, this one is nice. This will probably be my go-to in the future right here. Check it out. Oh, right, hold up. There you go. Now we go here and you got Mac, Silicon, Intel. You got the Windows and you got Linux. And several things. Well, since I'm a Debian base, I normally get the Debian file, but I already downloaded that. You know, when you download it, it's the same thing. It's just a normal download. You know, just like you normally would download it on your thing. See, to install it. But I already got it installed. I'm just showing y'all the process. And you know, when it come on, you press install package, but it's already installed. So we can just go on and go to it and check it out. See, we're gonna delete that. Watch this. All right. And we gonna reiterate that. Watch this. Hold up. I'm finna show y'all because I already been using it for another video for an online class. I'll teach somebody probably. So we finna repeat the same question. I'm finna show them the same thing I showed. I'm finna show y'all the same thing I showed them. See, watch this. What's the best way? Now, you got your models right. You got the minstrel. Now watch this. See, I know y'all been. I had to switch it up because I've been using Llama 3 for my other ones, but I just had to show you the power of it. Now watch this. Hey, now watch. See, and then they give you different things. Let us do this right quick, so you have some room to grow. Let me put myself down right quick. Yeah, you have some room to grow, man. Fire. You see this? Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. You see that? Yeah. 5, 6, and 7, them my favorites right there, bro. Because 5, 6, and 7, it costs the minimal effort and the minimal investment and have the highest ROI. So check this out. Oh yeah, that last one though, that real estate crowdfunding. A lot of people don't know that. A lot of people don't know that you can invest in real estate for penny on the dollar. You don't have to buy real estate. You can invest in somebody else's real estate and get interest on that, on the sale. Say like if you invest crowdfunding, you say you invest $10 on a $100,000 investment, and they sell the house for 200,000. You make $20. You know, but check it. But check this out. All right, I had put that right there to show one of my favorite features. Now you have this assistant, like a pipeline that's gonna help you organize whatever you chatting about. Cause all right, check this out. Now create response. Oh, watch this. So this gonna be like the instructions for the chat. Watch this. Crazy. Look, hey, hey, it put it in resume form. You see that? So, man, this a man. If you got a resume, you need any kind of professional resume done, and you know the format and the templates. All you got to do is just use LLMs to fill in the blanks. Use your own words, but you can take this and do your own thing with it, bro. You ain't got to just straight copy it and paste GPT, bro. Ma'am, you ain't got to do that. You got to have, even though you're using this, you can't depend on it. You still got to have your own imagination and your own creativity and your own knowledge and your own critical thinking, bro. You can't just fully depend on these. PSA. Now you see, look at that. It gave the same response, and it's crazy. And it also got, check this out. I'm going to let the cat out the bag, but not only can you download these, but you can also use one of those other ones, the developer mode for the other on huggingface.co. We gonna get to that in a bonus section that's coming right up. What's up, fam? Hey, I had to come back, man, because I had a couple of bonuses for you that I wanted to throw in for y'all. Yeah, man. I said I was gonna bring 3, but it was just 2 more that I had to holler at you with. All right, check this out. And this first bonus, check this out. There's a site called Sanctum AI. Yeah, this shit is. Oh, my bad for the cursing. This is nice. Okay. Now, what Sanctum AI is, you remember when I was talking about GTP for all, that one? So, GTP for all had a feature to where you can upload certain documents on your computer and interact with it. So it's basically you can it can actually read documents from your hard drive and help you run your own business better and keep the documents private, and it won't tell on you. It won't send your stuff to Google. There's no telemetry. All right. This is Sanctum AI. It's like that feature on GTP for all, but on crack. All right. What this has the power of doing, it has the power. This is a private LLM engine. It's similar to ChatGPT, but it's totally private on your computer. It's a whole API, and it doesn't report nothing on the internet. It doesn't report nothing to Google. It doesn't report nothing to Microsoft. Nothing. It's strictly private on your local machine. What this do, it can take, like, say you're running your own business and you're having trouble keeping up with your books. This can take any or all documents or whatever from your hard drive that's saved on your computer. It could take anything that's saved on your computer, and you can talk to it. You know what I'm saying? Like PDF talk, document talk. That's what I call it, doc talk. To where your AI can talk to the documents on your computer. So, like, you can do all kinds, you know what I'm saying? Say you don't know, like, you know what I'm saying? Say you're doing the books and you need to do your taxes. You know what I'm saying? You can use the AI to do the taxes for you. Now, let's check out the features. See, but I'm sorry, I can't demo this because it's on Windows and Mac. See? Windows and Mac and the new M1 Windows Max. So I'm sorry, I can't demo it for y'all, but I can talk about it though. Let's look at the features though. See, you run AI locally on your device. I'm finna watch this. I easily download solution lets you run large language models on your Mac and Windows instantly without complicated installs. Watch this. After downloading, no internet connection is required. So this is a full local API that you can run with no internet. And this next one, this is what I'm talking about right here. That means it could take all the data, all the documents on your computer, and you can talk to the documents, and you can format or whatever you like. Just like I said, say you got your books, you got accounting software, you can use this to talk to all the your books and have it do your taxes for you. Or anything like say you got a problem, say you got a contract, but you don't understand what it's talking about. You know what I'm saying? If it's a PDF on your computer, you can get Sanctum to break it down for you. So this is basically an AI model that scrapes. Scrape means like go through with a fine tooth comb and find but it stays on your computer. It's a private. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't report nothing to nobody. Whatever is like Vegas. It's the Sanctum AI is like Vegas. Whatever stays, whatever goes on Sanctum stays on Sanctum. For real. So you ain't gotta worry about data leaks. You ain't gotta worry about that so-called BSOD like that happened in like it happened with CrowdStrike. I'm wild with that, bro. Man, my camera tripping, bro. That's all right though. Um, yeah. And this last one, watch this. See, look, you can chat with PDFs 100% privately. So you can chat, ask questions. You can make it do math functions. It's just any. See, watch this. It's showing you right here. Bam. You can upload PDFs, ask questions. You can upload whatever. You can put two of them together. You can put all of them together and ask questions. This is like a private LLM AI model, right? Check that out. And you know, if this is all right, if you got Windows or Mac, you may want to check this out. This is way, and it's way cheaper than ChatGPT. And ChatGPT don't protect your privacy. Yeah, people don't say that. Yeah, this Sanctum AI protects your privacy. Now, the last feature actually links on to the next bonus. Check this out. It has Hugging Face integration. Man, Hugging Face is like Facebook for AI. Check, as a matter of fact, let's go and check that out. Let's go and check that out. There you go. Hugging Face dot. See, the AI community building the future. Huggingface.co. Check that out. It keeps on covering my damn picture. I don't like that. Now hold up. Let's go to the home thing. Right? So what this is, Hugging Face. This is a whole AI community, man. You got your models. You can try out any model. Any model. See, and it's a lot of them. The thing why it's so many, because you're getting it straight from the developer, the person who developed it is giving you their own version to keep it open source and community driven. I forgot, man. It's this Russian lady. Spaces. There you go. These are the spaces. Like if you were a developer, you can have your own space. And for this, but what? Hold on, I'm looking for watch this ChatGPT TPO4. Right? See, image chat, and see, you can use Chat GTP 4.0 without paying that hefty price. Look at this. See, but it's one of the developers of ChatGPT, Kingnish. They posted this part up on it, which is good because they do that because they gotta tweak it and make sure it's right. So they gotta let people play with it to see if there's any problems so they can fix it. So this is actually a win-win for both sides. See? I'm just Let's see what's gonna we do if we ask this question right here. I always wanted to do that. I ain't never did this before. Yeah, that's crazy, ain't it? A great question to start with. I am not a living entity. Yeah. See, look, I am. I am referred to as non-human intelligence or machine intelligence, which means I can process vast amounts of information, but I don't have subjective experiences, desires, or self-awareness as living beings do. So to summarize, I'm a useful tool, a helpful assistant, but I am not a living entity. You see that? Remember that. Next time you get on that, yeah. And the community is crazy, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? Mid Journey. You paying for Mid Journey, bro? What? This is made. This comes from a Russian mother. This comes from a Russian developer called Mukaz, one of the developers on Media. Because you got to understand, these AI projects got many developers, a lot of them. So once they developing, like this is not illegal. You know what I'm saying? Even though it costs money to get Mid Journey, this is not illegal because this is a testing. You know what I'm saying? This is one of the testing phases. You know what I'm saying? To make sure, and I like that. Yeah. And let's test it out. See how you notice that this in Russian? But watch this. Mm-hmm. See? You got the steps, the images, everything in English. That's crazy, ain't it? Oh, you gotta write the prompt up here. But it will even though it's in Russian, it's AI. So it can understand English too. Mm, bam. You can use Mid Journey. Oh, see, that's crazy. This is the AI version of heaven, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna be using this a good bit, man. Not only that, but it's all kind of spaces. Flux One. See, and this is working. See, these are see GTP for like bot. You know what I'm saying? Bam, Mid Journey right there. Look, apply motion of a video of a portrait. Ooh, live portrait. Watch this. What? You can watch this. Hold up. We gonna test it out. Check this out. All right. I wanna do this one. Now that man, this is gonna be tough, man, because you got to have a video that's a straight square, man. See, that's the only thing I don't like about it, man. Is that aspect ratio, man? That's like hard, bro. You gotta have a 1-to-1 aspect ratio. See, most videos are 16:9 instead of 1-to-1. So like, you gotta make a square video in order for this to work, man. And so I really don't like this one. So but man, you got so many things to choose from though. Y'all paying for what? Well, you ain't gotta pay for none of this. Image enhancer, text to video. Whoa, okay. Yeah, let's see something. Mm-hmm. All right. This is for academic research and experimental use only. Oh, they just to keep you from they just trying to let you know that they're not responsible for any trademark infringement. That, you know what I'm saying, you uploaded if you upload a copyrighted video. See, this how you know this is true. They'll tell you this because they know people are gonna do some wild stuff, and they want to absolve themselves of that liability. Man, I want to see this video. All right, it's gonna take a while. Okay, I know it don't normally take this long. Well, yeah, it's gonna take like 237 seconds. Do y'all want to wait on that? Well, yeah, we'll wait on it. I want y'all to see the results. I'll be right back. This gonna take a while. What's up, fam? Your boy's back. Let's see what this gonna do, man. This look, hey, y'all can't wait, huh? The suspense. Damn, that's 4 minutes. I ain't know it's gonna take that long. What? 60 times 24? Yeah, that's 4 minutes. Y'all get to see the whole process. This is awesome. Are you serious? Now let's see how good this is. It still got some work to do. I need to be a better prop engineer. So we gonna yeah, all right. Got Dolly. It's the same chick that do the mid journey. See that? But I ain't gonna steal the fun for y'all. I'm gonna let y'all experiment yourself. And for the prices, look, free. See, this is the see all this stuff you get with ChatGPT free, and you got to pay like $20 a month. This one is crazy. This one is the regular. This one is like the enterprise account. Like this, you get the same features from the pro account as you do with the enterprise account on GPT. You get all the same features from the free account of Hugging Face that you do from the paid account of ChatGPT. Fire, man. Fire. So remember, fam, if you really need AI help, you got work, you need to use AI for assistance, man, y'all gotta stop paying them exorbitant prices, man. You ain't gotta do that. There's way better options. There's way better options that don't cost as much, man. Fam, you need to get on. Y'all need to get on that. Yeah. So stop paying for ChatGPT, man. Y'all don't have to if you don't want to. Now, if you just want it because y'all want to be a part of the mainstream, you know what I'm saying. You use it as a flex. Then that's cool. Hey, I ain't got no problem. You grown. Do whatever you want to do. I am the Nat Turner of this tech plantation. I believe in freedom of choice. So if you want to pay for it, then that's your choice. I ain't mad at you. But for those who don't, who trying to keep their pocketbook frugal, know what I'm saying? There's other options. And with that being said, I'm out. I'm out at 5,000. And thank y'all for tuning in to this episode of the Indigo Pimp. I appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out. I want to thank you. One more time. I want to thank you. Appreciate it.